In this video, we are going to see how we can insert a video in your presentations in PowerPoint, whether it's from an external link from YouTube or from any social media page, or you want to upload it from your local computer location. So here's how you do it. But before that, if you want to insert a new slide, just remember the rule that we learned earlier, that whenever you want to insert a new slide, it depends on where you want to insert it. So for example, I want to insert a new slide between these two. So in that case, whatever slide you select, the new slide will be inserted right below that once you right click and click on new slide. But in this case, we want to insert it at the end. So I have to select the last slide, right click and click on new slide. And here is our new slide. Now, if we want to insert a video, click on an insert. And here's the option on our right for video. Just click on this device. And let's say this is my video that I want to insert. Just select the video, click on insert. And here is one. You can expand the size if you want. And here is a little player for you as well at the bottom. So you can use that to play this video, to move forward, move backward, and you can also adjust the volume here. And like we had the option for any shape, any chart we insert, similarly, we got different options of special menu when we insert a video. As soon as we click or select the video, we have the video format and video playback. So let's go to the video format. You can customize the video styles like a border style. You can customize all of that. You can customize the video shape as well. So if you will, let's say, want to show the video in a circle form, you can do that as well. Whenever you want to reset the design, you can reset it easily from here. You can color adjust that. You can make any corrections to the brightness and contrast as well. We have the alternate text that you can add with the video, and you can bring to front, bring to back, and all of these rotations options are available. Let's explore playback. Now, playback is all about the settings. However you want to keep the default settings. If you want to keep it medium, low, play full screen every time, hide while not playing, and all of these options, it's pretty straightforward. So I'll not explain you all of this, but you can use all of these. You can even trim the video. You can also loop this video until we manually stop it. You can rewind after playing, and all of that stuff can be done. So let's actually see how this video appears if we turn it to full screen. Let's play the full screen. Now the full screen can be played from this bottom area where the presenter icon is. Just click here. And by default, this playback is set to in click sequence. That means when we click on the video, then it will start playing. So it is paused at this point. Just we have to click it and then it will be played. So if we go to the previous presentation and we move to this presentation, every time we have to click it, then it will play. So let's say that we want to set it to automatic. Go to start, select automatic, and let's go to the previous slide, presenter view, next. As soon as we click next, as soon as we come on this particular page, it will start playing automatically. So this option is specifically very useful whenever you are giving the presentation. You don't want to use the mouse every single time separately. You just click on next and just start presenting it from a video, and it will play automatically. Now, if you want to delete this video, just go back, exit from full screen, just click on any corner and just simply delete it from your keyboard key. Now, if we want to insert a video, but that should be from an external link or a YouTube video, how will we insert that? It's also very simple. Just click on insert, click on video, and here we will select online videos. So for example, I just paste this link, but this is not for the online video. Let me just select. So for example, I've copied one of my video channel. Here's the video. Just what you have to do is just open up that particular video that you want to link. Just copy that URL and paste it right here. Click on insert, and it will take some time depending on your internet speed to link it to PowerPoint. As you can see, it's downloading kind of. So here is our linked video. Again, you can decide the video format, video styles, color correction, and playback, and we can also set it to automatic. Let's see. the demonstration of it. This is the earliest slide, and as soon as we click on the next one, here it might take some time to process because it is directly playing from internet. So now it's playing. Let's actually go back to the previous presentation once again. And now you can notice that once it is loaded for a single time, it will load much more quickly. Now what you can also do is you can also change the poster frame. So for example, the poster or the thumbnail of this video that you see on the front is not attractive, so you can change that. Just go to the video format, click on poster frame and select an image from this file. You can also choose any kind of stock images. And let's say just for the sake of example, we want to choose this one, click on insert. And now the poster frame is changed, but when we play it, it will be the same video. So that's how we can add the videos to our presentations in PowerPoint. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.